My other question here is, it's hard. There's only, I would say, a handful of people doing 2 million. You're at 1.9, close enough to 2 million in wholesaling, real estate investing, flipping like that. Do you do it all in Charlotte, or do you do a lot of virtual stuff too?
No, all in Charlotte. That's all this area. Like Charlotte,
Wow.
counties. Yeah, yes.
Jeez. Wow. And what's your team looking like right now?
Oh, okay. I have a small team, believe it or not, man.
Mm.
So we got one acquisition guy. I go on appointments sometimes too, due to I just love the business.
Yeah.
Like I'm really passionate about this. I wanted to be a real estate investor since I was 19, and that's probably why I'm still, involved in it. And I just love this business. So with that being said, it's me as my acquisition guy, and I have some virtual assistants. I have 3 of them for cold calling, prospectors, administration, and my acquisition guy.
Mm. Okay. And do you have anyone on the disposition side? So how are you disposing these deals?
Oh, we just do it. I handle that for the most part. We blast our list.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.